Today I'm going to discuss with you how I'm using Atomica AI software to plan cases of impaction and to generate a report that I can send it to the patient. Here I'm importing the DICOM file, and then I'm using the importing launcher to adjust the window. Then I open the segmentation and I segment all the x-rays, the maxilla, the mandible, and both teeth. Here you can see I'm just checking. Then I generate surface for each one, for each maxilla, mandible, and upper and lower teeth. As I show you here, I can see that the surfaces are perfectly selected. Then I open the planner, an implant planner. I select the two impactions that I want to have the report on. And then I open the planner. I draw the maxillary curve, the mandibular curve, the one that I want to see as perfect as. The curve you can see here. I adjust the curve to see the impacted teeth with its roots. Here is the surfaces. I refine it by showing only the bone. And then I check the whole surfaces at all angles, all the cuts, the sagittal, the panoramic, and the coronal cuts, the axial cuts too. Then I start to detect the nerves, automatically detect the nerve. Here the software detects the nerve for me. As you can see, I can remove any model I want. I just want to keep the lower teeth with the nerves. As you can see here, I'm checking the teeth and the roots that are fused. The roots of the right side are fused together. The roots of the left side, they are separated but fused from the apical part. Then I check the nerve and its relation in the x-rays, as you can see here. And then I can use the measuring tool to measure the distance between the part of the root and the nerve. As you can see in here, it's just 1.4 millimeters. I can see the distance from the axial cuts. I can measure also using the measuring tool the part from the surface of the root to the inferior alveolar canal. But actually I can't generate a report from this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert for this patient implants. Here I used to use a generic system, so I can adjust the size, the dimension of the implant I'm going to put. I'm inserting an implant in here and adjust the angulation with the angulation of the molar. Then I increase the length to fit in the apex of the root. So now the implant in here is going to be the same as the root length. And then I'm checking this implant, which I insert in the molar. And I'm checking its surface with the nerve and its relation to the nerve. Here the software automatically detects that it's nerve approximating. That means it's lesser than 2 millimeters, as you can see in the 3D model. Then I'm inserting another implant for the other one. I adjust it with the long axis of the tooth. I check it from every side and on the x-rays too. Then I'm increasing the length till the root apex, as you can see in here. And if you can see that it's away from the nerve. Now I'm having two implants. Actually, I'm not going to put an implant instead of these molars. I just want to generate a report with the relation to the nerve and to discuss with the patient. Here I click on generate report, and this is the report that is generated by Atomica AI. It discusses the condition of an implant, which is actually not going to be an implant. It's just the relation of these teeth, these roots to the nerves. And then I can export this to a report, and this report I can send it to the patient or even discuss with him his condition. Thank you.